Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to watch NFL games on Paramount Plus. If you're a football fan looking to catch all the action, this is the perfect guide for you. First things first, make sure you have a subscription to Paramount Plus. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up on their website or app. Once you're all set with your subscription, open the Paramount Plus app on your device. Next, navigate to the Sports section within the app. You'll find a variety of sports content available, including NFL games. Look for the schedule to see when the upcoming NFL games will be broadcasted live on Paramount Plus. When the game you want to watch is about to start, simply click on the game to begin streaming it live. Plus offers high-quality streaming so you can enjoy the game without any interruption. You can also set up notifications within the app to get alerts when your favorite NFL teams are playing. This way, you'll never miss any of the action, even if you're not actively using the app at that moment. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to watch NFL games on Paramount Plus. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can stay connected to your favorite teams and players with just a few clicks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.